Hello, everyone. We often say that we enjoy reading poems more than prose. Why is it? Maybe because poems are more powerful, more poetic. In easy words for you, we enjoy reading poems most of the times because they are rhymed. Now, what is a rhyme? And today's topic is what is rhyme scheme? To learn rhyme scheme, we are going to begin with something we have read when we were young. Look at this. There are just four lines from Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now you can see the words star and R. They are sounding similar. একই রকম শুনতে লাগছে star, R. Now again, high and sky are sounding similar. Now if we name star as sound A, star, then R is also sound A. একই রকম শুনতে লাগছে, same similar sound हो रहा है. Star, R, both are A. This is different. High, sky. So we shall name it sound B. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is AABB. Understood? Let us go to a poem you have read in your Madhyamik. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on higher vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Daffodils by Wordsworth. Now let us rhyme it. What is rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme is the arrangement of rhyming words at the end of the lines. So now, কোথা থেকে শুরু করব? Cloud. Cloud is what? One sound, cloud. We name it A. इसका हम A नाम देंगे. Hills, different sound, B. Crowd, just like cloud. So it is again A. Dills, hills, dills. ये again B. Trees, new sound, C. Breeze, trees, breeze. So C. Now when we go to the next stanza altogether, we are going to name it afresh. Continuous as the stars that shine. अब देखो यहाँ shine कहीं पर आया है? No, shine, line, no, nothing like that. So C, we had done till C. So shine will be D. Way, new sound again, not like A, B, C, D. E, line, shine की तरह. So D. Bay, way and bay. E, glance again, new sound, not like trees or crowd or hills, new sound, glance. So E, after E comes F. নতুন sound বলে নতুন নাম. Dance, again F. So how is rhyme scheme done? You write A, B, A, B, C, C, D, E, D, E, F, F. You write it like this. But you have to make the rhyme scheme of the entire poem. Okay? So now let us come to the poem we had done the previous day. Let us come to Shall I Compare Thee? I had told you the rhyme scheme, but today we are going to do the rhyme scheme and see. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? A, day sound को हम A नाम देते हैं. Temperate, not like this. Temperate, new sound, B. Day में, A. Short, a date, temperate, date. Shines, new sound, dimmed, new sound. Declines, like shines. So C. Untrimmed. Untrimmed is like dimmed. So D. Fade. New sound. Not like A, B, C, D. Those sounds are different. Okay. So fade. Fade will be E. West. New sound F. Fade. Shade. Fade, shade. একই রকম sound. So it will be E. Growest. West. Same. As long as men can breathe or eyes can see. So long lives this and this gives life to thee. See and thee. Totally new sound, not like the previous sounds. So this will be after F, G, C, D. So GG. So how do we write the rhyme scheme of shall I compare thee? You are going to write the rhyme scheme as, let us see. Write it down here. A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G. That is the entire rhyme scheme of your poem. Okay? So you have to do like this. When finding a rhyme scheme, you will have to write down the entire poem, how it is rhymed ABCD wise, and then that entire thing according to your stanzas. There are what, 1 2 3 4 4 lines, 4 line stanza. That's why 4 4 4 and then 2, a couplet. Okay, this is how you are going to write your rhyme scheme of a poem. Understood, everyone?